Hello everybody, guess what time it is? It's time for the Bargain Bead Box unboxing for June of 2024. And I have a coupon code for BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. These boxes are monthly, are $22.99, and they're valued at between $60 and $70 usually a month. It is stocked full of beautiful gemstone. They usually give us gemstone beads and crystals and some findings, and everything's different every month. So I already opened it, and let's see. This month is the Sunken Treasure Collection. It says, tossing the waves and lost treasures combined in this eclectic ocean palette, a trove of patina finished bronze pieces combined with gorgeous gemstones and matte finished crystals for a sea-swept feel. We love the little sea turtles too, but as you search the ocean floor, beware the Kraken. Note, number 15 toggles have an antique finish, not a patina fish, and so sorry for the label error. Okay, and it says there's 20 things in this package. Okay. Approximate retail value for this shipment is $80.30. So let's look at this. Oh, I'm already like, oh, look at that. Oh, check that out. An octopus. Okay. As you guys know, I live in Bradenton, Florida, by Siesta Key. So I love me the beach. So, okay, is this, yeah, so this is the one. They're just bronze, but you can, if you patina stuff, you can do that yourself. Oh, these are some cool bead caps. Bronze patina bead caps. The Malaysia jade dyed quartz frosted. Where the stone, oh, some lever back air wires. Okay, let me get everything set up. I'll be right back. Okay, so number one is a 35mm flower amazonite teardrop pendant. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, it's so nice and smooth. This is really pretty. And number two is 8mm, I can't talk today, Malaysia jade dyed quartz frosted beads, 14.5 inches, and this strand was $6.99. What a beautiful long strand these are. I love the frosted gemstones because it's something different. You know, we get the ones with the AB finish and the ones that are so shiny, and then you get the frosted ones. To me, it adds another layer of texture to your jewelry. And number three is the 4 to 5mm lava stone nugget beads with bronze plating, 15 inches for $4.99. Oh, these are pretty. These definitely have a lot of texture to them. I don't know if you can see them up close. Could do a lot with these. And number four is 8mm Maphanite D round beads in teal, 15 inches for $6.99. I've never heard of that. Maphanite? They're pretty, whatever they are. I have to look that up. These are pretty. These have a really a really summer look to them, a beachy. It looks like the different color hues of color from the ocean. You know, if you notice, the ocean's different color every day depending on how the sun hits it and what's going on underneath, and so pretty. Number 5 is 6 millimeters of white lava stone round beads, 15 inches for $2.99. These are cool. They almost feel like chalk. These are really pretty. So white. And number 6 is 10 millimeter carnelian dyed heated round beads, 7.5 inches for $5.99. These are gorgeous. So pretty. Look at the sparkle on those. Oh, so pretty. And this is so fun. Number 7 is a 56 by 58 millimeter octopus pendant, lead, nickel, and cadmium free for $2.99. Look how cute that is. How cute that is. Oh, adorable. And number 8 is 4 pieces of 24 millimeter shell charms in bronze, patina, lead, nickel, cadmium free. These are $1.99. So they're on both sides. They're the same, which is nice. So if you use them for earrings, dangle earrings, you're good on either way that they hit. And the next is number 9, 10 pieces of 10 millimeter bead caps in bronze, patina, lead, cadmium free, $2.99. These are cool. These are really cool. Love these. I don't think we've ever gotten anything like those before. And number 10 is 20 pieces of 8 by 7 millimeter textured bicone beads in bronze, patina, lead, cadmium free for $3.99. Oh, these have some weight to them. They're heavy. So if you use them in earrings, like I wouldn't use more than one because that might end up being too heavy for the ears. These are really pretty though. You'd be definitely part of a focal piece of a necklace or a bracelet. And number 11 is 4 millimeter crystal faceted bicone beads in matte capri blue AB for $3.99. Oh, these are pretty. Look at all the different colors in there. It's like, oh, I love these. I always use these up out of the box, the bicones, when they give us the crystal bic. No matter what the color is, I always end up using them up. Okay, so number 12 is 6 by 4 millimeter crystal faceted rondo beads in matte teal. I'm sorry, I'm reading off the list. In matte teal for $3.99. Oh, this is a nice long strand. They really gave us a really nice array of colors to work with this month. Very pretty. Okay. And number 13 is 6 millimeter glass window beads in coral orange, 8 inches by $3.99. Oh, I love these. Whenever they give us these, I love these. That little flat glass window that it always adds. Look at that, the way they sparkle. Oh, so pretty. Oh, I'm so excited to work with this box. I'm leaving tomorrow. It's Saturday. I'm filming this. I'm leaving tomorrow. I'm going to be gone for a week. I'm going to Vegas, and then I'm going to Chicago. So I will be gone. So I've filmed some videos and stuff. So just so you know, I will do more when I get back. So this box came late to me. I had texted them and asked them if they could send it to me early so I could get all my videos set up before I left. But then it ended up being late. So yeah. So Sunday's Father's Day. Tomorrow's Father's Day. And I'm leaving with my dad and my sister. We're taking my soon-to-be 90-year-old father to Vegas for 3 days for Father's Day. We're so excited to go with him. He's so excited. So, okay. So number 14 is 15 by 12 millimeter matte glass nugget beads in sea green, 6 inches, $3.49. These are really pretty. I have so much packing to do still, and I'm like, I wanted to get this video out and hopefully do one tutorial to put up for next week while I'm gone. I do have a couple of videos for next week, but yes, I'm going away on vacation, so I'm looking forward to it. Number 15 is 2 sets of antique bronze toggle clasps, lead, nickel, cadmium free, and these are the ones that don't have the patina, like they said. So this is the one side, and then this is, so they are just one-sided, but they're still pretty and they still will work. I like mixing metals with a lot of my jewelry. I like going outside the box when I do stuff. I really don't follow any rules. As long as it looks good when it's done, to me, that's part of being creative. So yeah, so this is no biggie that those aren't patinaed. Okay, number 16, these look pretty, is 2 pieces of 38 millimeter ornate crescent pendants in bronze patina, lead, and cadmium free, $3.99. Oh, these are cool. Yeah, these are really cool. You can hang things down here. You can do stuff up there. There's a lot you can do with these. That's the back of it. Okay, number 17 is 4 pieces of 19 by 15 millimeter glass porcelain turtle beads, $2.99. Oh, how cute are they? And the hole goes from the head to the butt. Oh, how cute these are. I see turtles all the time when I'm out walking in my neighborhood. They're so cute. See them and they're like trying to get up on get into the lake, and they're trying to get up on the curb, and you feel so bad for them because they're vertically challenged. They got the short legs, but they're so cute. Number 18 is 1 meter of 4 by 3 millimeter textured oval steel jewelry chain, lead, nickel free, $3.99. I love working with. Whenever they give us chain, I always use so much of it. I usually use up the whole thing. I already have a few ideas. So, nice chain. And then we have number 19, the brass ball head pins, 20 pieces for an antique bronze for $1.99. We all know what these look like. I will take them out anyway. So they already have the ball at the top. So they have a little more of a decoration to them. So we got those. And last but not least, 10 pieces of brass leverback earrings with shell motif, 10 by 10 millimeter. And these were $3.99. So that's this. And then see, they have the little shell. So these are nice. This was a beautiful box. So another beautiful box by them, and I cannot wait. I'm hoping to pump out one video at least today so I can pack and get ready for my trip. And I will come back all energized and ready to finish off the tutorials for the box. So yes, like I said, I have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. And thank you everybody for supporting my channel and watching. And stay tuned for the next video that I set up to the right. I know you're going to love it. And all of my information is below in the description, along with Bargain Bead Box's link. And you have a great day. And I'll see you soon.